Recently, the Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha both passed Women's Reservation Bill 2023, 128th Constitutional Amendment Bill, or Nari Shakti Vandan Adhinayam. The bill reserves one-third of the seats in Lok Sabha, state legislative assemblies and the Delhi Assembly. Just keep in mind, not in Rajya Sabha. This will also apply to the seats reserved for scheduled castes and scheduled tribes in Lok Sabha and state legislatures. Presently, there are 82 women members in Lok Sabha and 31 women in Rajya Sabha. This means that 181 seats in the Lok Sabha and 81 seats in the Rajya Sabha will be reserved for women. While for state legislative assembly it's nearby 10%, and with this bill 33% will be reserved for women. Currently, only one of the 28 states in India has a female chief minister. It would require a special majority of the parliament and ratification by half of the states. That is a two-thirds majority in both houses of parliament and the approval from at least 50% of states' legislative assemblies by simple majority. The rollout of the quota system will occur in 3 steps: census, delimitation, and finally, implementing the quota. Means will take some years. Keep supporting us by like, comment and sharing current affairs simplified for more of Indian Constitution.